Subtitles were created by Daimotozo. If you've ever experienced the process of welding screw turns, you probably know that a perfect joint is fundamental to achieving optimal weld geometry. Let's say you are fabricating a screw for an extruder. If the joint isn't perfect, it can lead to material overruns and unbalanced equipment performance. Such problems can be a financial and technical headache for your business. That's why investing in equipment that can guarantee flexible auger turns of perfect geometry and exact repeatability is a key step to ensure efficient production operations. Our GPS series of Chupo-controlled machines can bend auger coils that fit together perfectly, and you can produce one screw coil in 30 seconds. Bend screw feather coils up to 50 mm thick. Our equipment has high accuracy and automatic parameter calculations. We have no restrictions on the geometry and size of the screw and do not need to change the matrix. You will reduce downtime and production costs and get guaranteed quality of finished products. If you are interested in purchasing the equipment or have any questions, please contact us. Our specialists will be happy to advise you and help you choose the best solutions for your needs. All contact information can be found on the links in the description.